Taking a look at the metals markets today, I want to focus on gold. The gold futures, some moderation today. We're seeing them slightly higher on the day, taking back the 1500 level. So I think from a psychological and technical standpoint, that's pretty important. But when you look at the trading range today, it's been pretty tight, really about a $10 range, and currently right around the 1503 level. So again, we're seeing it bide its time, it feels like, as we move through some of the narratives in the market today. But tomorrow, we're going to get some news out of the ECB, and basically it's the kickoff to the central bank chatter over the next week and a half or so. Tomorrow's going to be the ECB with their policy decision, monetary policy, and the market is very focused on that. And I believe that could be a mover when you look at the gold space after this announcement tomorrow morning, primarily due to the fact that there's a couple things here. Certainly it looks like they're going to increase the liquidity provisions that the ECB is currently offering. It's Mario Draghi's last ECB press conference / meeting as head of the ECB. So I think that that's an interesting dynamic as well. So that definitely could impact the commodity space, and particularly when you look at the metals relative to the currencies as well. So I think there's going to be some volatility there tomorrow after that ECB announcement comes out in the morning. Also looking at the trends that are currently in place. Now we are seeing gold down really for the 4 days in a row. Now today is the first time in the last 5 days where we're seeing a little bit of reversal of this 4 to 5 day downtrend, I should say. And when you look at it from a psychological standpoint, I think it's very important that gold hold 1500. It certainly has been able to climb back above there today, but there hasn't been a whole lot of oomph behind this move, at least to this point. Also, from a technical standpoint, if you go back to the middle of the August, when you look at the trends here, I mean, it's important that gold hold this 1500 level. I mean, if you look at the trend line going back to the middle of August, it looks like if a breach here of 1490, we could see it tumble all the way back down to 1460 before it finds any real technical support. So I think both from a psychological standpoint and from a technical standpoint, this 1500 level is key as we go into the ECB announcement tomorrow.